Hi everyone, I am Dr. T. Srinivasulu, Assistant Professor of Mathematics. Today we will learn about equations solvable for x. If the given differential equation f of x comma y comma p equal 0 is solvable for y, then it can be written as x equal f of y comma p. That is equation number 1. Differentiate with respect to y, we get the derivative of x with respect to y is dx by dy, that is equal to 1 by p. Right side term, the derivative of the function f with respect to y, we get that say function pi of y comma p comma dp by dy, say that is equation number 2. This let the solution of the second equation is psi of psi of y comma p comma c equal 0, that is equation number 3. If possible, eliminate the p from 1 and 3, we get a relation among x, y and c, that is our required solution. If it is not possible eliminating p from 1 and 3, in this case the equation 1 and 3 constitutes a solution of the given differential equation. Now problems. First question, solve y square log y equal xyp plus p square. So given differential equation is y square log y equal xyp plus p square. So now xyp equal y square log y minus p square. So divided by x divided by yp, we get x equal to y log y by 1 y is cancelled, p square by yp, that is p by y, which is in the form of x equal function of y comma p. Now differentiate with respect to y, differentiate with respect to y. So the derivative of x with respect to y is dx by dy equal to, this is u by v rule, u derivative u by v, derivative of u by v equal to u dash v minus uv dash by v square. So here this is the u by v rule, here using the u by v rule, here also you using the u by v rule. U derivative uv rule, y derivative 1 into log y plus y into log y derivative 1 by y, uv rule inside, this is the total u derivative, y log y derivative into v is nothing but p minus u y log y into v dash is nothing but v derivative, p derivative dp by dy by v square, p square. Now p by y, so p derivative dp by dy into y minus p into y derivative 1 by y square. So it can be written as 1 by p equal to log p into log y by p square, that is log y by p, y cancel, 1 into p by p square 1 by p minus y log y by p square into dp by dy minus y by y square 1 by y dp by dy minus of minus plus p by y square. Here 1 by p cancel, here common log y by p constant term, here p by y square plus p by y square minus y log y by p square minus of minus plus of 1 by y into dp by dy equal to 0. Log y by p plus p by y square minus y log y by p square plus 1 by y 1 by y into dp by dy equal to 0. So, here LCM y square p y square log y plus p square by y square p plus minus sorry y square p square y is LCM y square log y plus p square by yp square into dp by dy equal to 0. Now, common the terms y square log y by p plus p square by yp is outside, yp is outside. Here yp cancel 1 by y minus 1 by p into dp by dy equal to 0. This term is equal to 0, we get 1 by y minus 1 by p dp by dy equal to 0. Now, cross multiplication dy by y minus dp by p equal to 0 or dp by p common dp by p minus dy by y equal to 0, integrating both sides, integrating both sides. Integral of dp by p minus integral of dy by y, say arbitrary constant log c, 1 by p integration log p minus integral of dy by y log y equal to log c. Log a minus log b, log of a by b. So, p by y equal to log c implies p by y equal to c. Therefore, p equal to cy. This is equation number 2. So, eliminating p from 1 and 2 by using 1 and 2 eliminate the p. So, what is the first equation? Y square log y equal to xyp, y square log y plus y square log y equal to xyp plus p square plus p square. So, this is the first equation, this is the second. So, by using 1 and 2 y square log y equal to xy, what is the p? Cy plus p square cy whole square. So, y square log y equal to c y square x plus c square y square, both side y cancel, y square cancel, we get log y equal to cx plus c square, which is the required solution, which is the required solution. So, this is the answer. Now, second question, solve xp cube equal to a plus bp. So, given equation can be written as, given differential equation can be written as divided by p cube, x equal to a by p cube plus b by p square, b by p square. So, that is x equal to a by p cube, once again write, plus b by p square. So, this is equation number 1, which is in the form of, which is in the form of x equal to f of y comma p, but y is not okay. Now, differentiate with respect y. dx by dy equal to a by p cube derivative, a by p power minus 3 derivative minus 3 by minus 3 into p power minus 4, that is p power 4 into dp by dy b by p square p power minus 2 derivative minus 2 p power 3 minus 3, so p cube into dp by dy. So dx by dy equal to how much? 1 by p equal to minus 3a by p power 4 dp by dy minus 2b by p cube dp by dy. Okay, 1 by p equal to minus 3a by p power 4 minus 3a by p power 4, second one minus 2b by p cube minus common plus 2b by p cube into dp by dy, p cancel, we get dy equal to minus 3a by p cube plus 2b by p square into dp. So minus 3a by p cube minus 2b by p square into dp minus dy equal to 0, integrating both sides, integrating both sides. Integral of minus 3a by p cube into dp, integral of 2b by p square into dp, integral of minus dy equal to c. So minus 3a, integration of p power minus 3, so p power minus 2 by minus 2, that is minus 1 by 2p square minus 2b outside, 1 by p square out, integration minus 1 by p minus y equal to c. So that is 3a by 2p square plus 2b by p equal to y plus c. This is equation number 2. So therefore solution of given equation, solution of given equation is 1 and 2, because we cannot eliminate p from 1 and 2, we cannot eliminate from p 1 and 2, that's why 1 and 2 constitute the required solution. Third one, solve x equal y plus a log p. Given differential equation is x equal to y plus a log p. This is equation number 1. Now differentiate with respect to y. Differentiate with respect y. So dx by dy is equal to 1 by p, y derivative 1, a log p derivative 1 by p, dp by dy. So 1 by p minus 1 equal to a by p dp by dy. So 1 minus p by p equal to a by p dp by dy. Now dy equal here pp cancel, dy equal a by 1 minus p into dp. Now integrate, integral of dy equal to integral of a by 1 minus p a by 1 minus p dp plus c. So, integration of dy y equal to minus of a into 1 log of 1 minus p plus c. Now, a log of 1 minus p equal to c minus y implies log of 1 minus p equal to c minus y by a. 1 minus p equal to e power c minus y by a. Therefore, p equal to 1 minus e power c minus y by a. This is equation number 2. Eliminating p from 1 and 2. So, what is the one equation? X equal y plus a log b. X equal to y plus a log p. What is the p value? 1 minus e power c minus y by a, which is the required solution of the given differential equation. Thank you.